My very first tomato harvest this year and my very first alokbati or Malabar spinach plant. And the very leafy Ampalayas need pruning. The plants have to spend their energy on the fruits rather than on the leaves, so we'll get rid of the extra leaves. But we're not throwing them away. We'll make a salad out of this Ampalaya leaves and Malabar spinach. Please join me and Manang Grace at the shed. Let's have fun as we prepare this very simple salad. We are benefiting from the side shoots. We are making a salad. Ilocano salad, di Mama?
Yes.
And I haven't tried it, but also the Malabar spinach. The Malabar spinach or alokbati. We'll do this, but I would like to boil them separately. Is someone calling? Hi! Kom hier!
Ik ben weer zo weg.
Oh, kom hier.
Ik kom alleen maar luisteren naar
Kom
het
hier.
verhaal van Grace.
Ja,
Grace is hier.
yeah, we zijn aan het opnemen. The side shoots are not good. I've said that in the voiceover. That's why we're boiling them. It's a real treat for Ilocanos. The Bariotic Ilocanos or the peasant Ilocanos love this. So, when you're hosting Ilocanos, try this as a salad. But first, it's good to remove the, how are they called, the stalks, or remove the leaves from the stalk. And someone's stealing our berries, our visitor. Give it a shot, Ludo. Someone just stole our blackberry. Okay, but this will be quick. Okay, this can be boring, but this is very exciting and even nostalgic for us. Or for us, that's not nostalgic for us, who came from the province and who enjoy this as a very simple salad. But first, bear with us because we are removing the leaves from the stalks. We can use the tops, but the this. If it's difficult to break, don't use it. If it breaks, use it. Just like this. Look. See? That's usable. Going further? Yes, that's still usable. And the rest, just do this, and it's done. We're really quick. Yes, we are provincial people. We know how labor is. We know how to work. We know how to live from the ground. Or yeah.
Goed doen.
Yeah, it's really hot. Temperature reads 32 degrees today. That's why please forgive our attire.
Yeah.
Someone here, an old man, is overdressed. Okay, come here.
Kom terug.
Come here. Okay. Old man. Okay.
Oh my god.
Just teasing, sorry. But there's always welcome here. We're ready.
Okay, listen.
Come closer, cameraman.
Come closer.
Okay. Just wash it. And the water that's retained by the leaves is enough to boil it. Done. And it's what?
Wacht even.
What? Sige. I have to trust this. She's my man. Her guy. I have to trust her. Okay.
Oh.
And then Cindy. Oh, it fell. Okay.
Cindy.
Diyan. Come on, put it here.
Eerst warm maken die pan.
Okay. First, she said in Dutch, that was Dutch, let's heat the pan or the wok, whatever you call this.
Yeah.
And then this, the kitchen scraps, the good thing about cooking here and living near the forest is you can just throw it away like this
Hey.
and return it to nature, and it helps. It's not polluting nature, but in fact enriching nature, giving back to nature. Our audience is laughing.
It's all about the explanation.
Well,
Okay, now it's boiling, man. See? And cover it. Look how we use another pan to cover it. That's how to live in the Bangkag. Okay? Okay. While the Manang Grace cooks that, I'll prepare the rest of the sidings of the ingredients. I don't know if the cameraman has taken it, but it's done in less than 3 minutes. We'll cook next, or blanch next, the spinach.
For taste, for proven. To prove. See? That's
For the meantime, I'll prepare the other ingredients for the salad. It's just onion. And what's the other one, Mana? And tomato.
tomato. That's good. Magamitan sa gourd.
This is a very simple dish, so we'll make a beautiful presentation. The red tomatoes there, and top it with onions. Yeah. And when hosting Ilocano, don't ever host an Ilocano group without a bagoong.
Bagoong, yeah.
It will be a disaster. That's why I have it. And proudly from beautiful Pangasinan.
Yeah. A special bagoong Pangasinan.
Yeah. Many people don't dare to bring this to Europe because they might be apprehended by the customs. Well, as long as it's not much and you can justify that it's for your own consumption.
Yeah.
I think this is good. Oh yeah, good. And yeah, the spinach is cut. Yeah, it's even burnt.
Burn.
Yeah.
Na-burn na siya. Ngayon, matang sarap yun.
Okay.
Pagrama ng laang
Yeah.
ko.
Okay.
See?
So look at our presentation. Okay. I'll present it outside.
Yeah.
Look,
Why?
a very simple salad from our very harvest here at the garden. Simple, but nostalgic. And perhaps healing. It heals your homesickness. Of course, this is just our salad. I have something to go with it. It's tinapa, fried tinapa. I'll show it to you as well. It's a big tinapa, widely available in grocery stores. I butterflied it, and look how it looks like now. It's not very attractive, but guaranteed tasty and satisfying. It's served with white rice, of course. Thank you for joining us for fun and some learning today, and we'd like to see you again on our next videos as we bring you more about growing, cooking, and sharing. Lekker. Ik lekker bouten.
Oh.